In Facebook, sometimes you may have added highlights. Occasionally, you might want to delete those highlights. In this video, we will show you how to delete on Facebook. To begin, open the Facebook application. After that, you will see 3 horizontal lines at the top. Click on these lines. Once you do, you will see your profile name. Tap on your profile name to navigate to your profile page. On your profile, scroll down to view all the highlights you have added. If you wish to delete a highlight, simply long press on the highlight you want to remove. When you long press, an option labeled Delete Featured Collection will appear. You can either tap on this option or select the directly. After selecting the highlight, you will see 3 dots at the top. Click on these dots. From the menu that appears, choose the Delete Featured Collection option. A pop-up message will then appear, asking for confirmation. Click OK to proceed. Once you confirm, the highlight will be deleted. That's it. You can now easily remove highlights from your Facebook profile. We hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.